The Honourable Minister of Education, Dr. Moruf Tunji Alausa, has announced groundbreaking initiatives aimed at revolutionizing Nigeria's education system at a high-level consultative engagement with Honourable Commissioners for Education from all 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory. In a speech, Dr. Alausa outlined the Federal Ministry of Education's Nigeria Education Sector Renewal initiative, a comprehensive strategy designed to transform Nigeria from a resource-based economy to a knowledge-driven powerhouse.
We're talking to NESRI as well to see, and it will begin to do things like this, conditional care transfer, and we're also going to layer this with school feeding. If mothers know that kids can get one good meal, balanced meal in school, they'll send their kids to school. It's worked so well in other countries. Kenya has been able to significantly reduce the number of the out-of-school children by implementing school nutrition, school feeding program. We're also going to be working on that as well.
She emphasized 6 critical pillars, including the promotion of STEM education, reduction of out-of-school children, enhancement of technical and vocational education and training, and the advancement of girl-child education.
And also the 6th pillar is we now need to more aggressively to quality reassured at school, monitor the quality, evaluate the quality of education we're giving to our children, also the quality of our teachers, and how we can also improve their capacity on continuous education and continuous professional development.
The Minister of State for Education, Suwaiba Said Ahmed, also expressed the need for these initiatives to be replicated at the state level to ensure grassroots impact.
One of the key priority areas for this administration is the reduction or reducing out-of-school children. That's one of the key priority areas. Another key priority area is quality education. It's also very important. I'm sure most of you, if given the opportunity, you will shed more light on this aspect because we are all aware of the status, not only nationally but internationally, on issues around quality education in Nigeria.
Dr. Alausa's speech was followed by a contribution from key stakeholders who provided in-depth insight into the ministry's effort on TVET and others.
For me, the need-based approach is extremely in line with the vision at the state levels. So definitely we'll be aligning with the federal government goals and with the 6 priorities that have been mentioned: the STEM, the TVET, the out-of-school children, data, quality assurance, to ensure that the deliverables on our part at the subnational level adds up to the national goal. And I'm super excited as well to replicate the result-oriented and the formidable health forum. I actually had, on the direction of the directive of the Honourable Minister, met with the chairperson of the health forum. Of course, they do have a very formidable one. They've been on it for over 7 years. And I know that there's so much as well that we can achieve collectively as a group of commissioners.
Here is Nigeria is a middle-income country, but its human capital outcomes are below low-income countries. So that's the main message here. What it means is, for its richness and per capita income, the country is not investing sufficiently, or even if it's investing, it's not doing it qualitatively to produce the outcomes. So that's the challenge. Because of that, as our Honourable Minister already mentioned, 45 million out of 60 million children aged 5 to 14 are learning poor, otherwise, not able to read a simple sentence when they reach age 10. So that's the main challenge.
On the long-term side, we have the federal technical colleges that will be offering their normal 3-year program courses for people ages between 13 and 18 years. Entry requirement would be a NECO, Basic Education Certificate or WAEC certificate. It's also a heavily practical course with 70% of it being practical and 30% being didactics. Upon completion of all 3 programs, individuals will be given an NSQ certificate from NAPTEP. At the final end, we have the last component, which is the TVET Digital Specialty, a 6-month program that offers a fully online training for tertiary education graduates. leading to a globally recognized certification to ensure accessibility. The government will cover training fees, internet costs, and certification expenses, equipping graduates with in-demand skills for global job markets.
The event concluded with a robust question and answer session where Dr. Alausa reassured the commissioners of the ministry's unwavering commitment to improving education nationwide. Comfort Olayinka, Echo Hot TV.